See your Facebook password in seconds. Here's how. Check Facebook password settings. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, tap Account Center. Choose Password and Security, then tap Change Password. Select your Facebook account to continue. Facebook may show useful security information, such as when your password was last changed and other account security details. This information may help you remember your password. Find your Facebook password on iPhone. Swipe down on your iPhone home screen and search for Passwords. Open the Passwords app and use Face ID or your passcode to continue. Tap All to see all saved accounts. Select Facebook from the list. You'll see your saved login details, including your email address or username and password. Tap the Hidden Password field to reveal it. Your Facebook password will appear instantly. Find your Facebook password using Google Chrome. This method works on Android, iPhone, and computer. Open Google Chrome on your device. Tap the three-dot menu and select Password Manager. Verify your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, or device passcode. Tap facebook.com from the list of saved accounts. Your saved login details will appear, including your username, email address, and password. Tap the Hidden Password field to reveal it.